This is the elevator that serves floors lobby and 2 at the Renaissance at International Plaza in Tampa, Florida. As you can see here, second floor only. Weirdly enough, there's 2 sets of buttons, but yet not on the main elevators, and 2 indicators. Let's go down to 1. This indicator isn't quite in as good shape. This one seems to be, the glass got knocked a little out of place, but otherwise it looks fine. Let's go up to 2 and watch this indicator now. Door close I don't think works. The meeting rooms are up here. Here's our elevator. Let's go down to 1. Really enough, the certificate says elevator number 1, but on the outside it's labeled as elevator number 6. You can see that right up here, E6. There it goes, and that'll be it.